Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete a message for everyone on Snapchat. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your conversations. Step 2. Navigate to the Chat tab within the app where your conversations are listed. Step 3. Select the specific conversation that contains the message you wish to delete for everyone. Step 4. Tap and hold on the message you want to remove until a menu pops up on the screen. Step 5. From the menu options that appear, choose Delete to proceed with removing the message. Step 6. Confirm the deletion by selecting OK when prompted to ensure the message is deleted for everyone in the conversation. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your messages on Snapchat, maintaining control over the content shared and ensuring a clear communication environment within your conversations. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with deleting messages for everyone on Snapchat. Enjoy a more organized and secure messaging experience with these straightforward steps.